Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a topic on reference manager tool. So when you're writing research papers, you write references, right? So for the references, we have to follow following styles, right? It may be different formatting styles, like each journal has got their own styles. So when you try to do this manually, it takes a lot of time, and it might be difficult when you have multiple references, like more than 30, 40, 50, maybe 100 certain times when you're writing a review paper. So when you want to change the reference styles, manually doing it is going to be difficult. So there are tools which could be used for doing this. So we will study or learn about the tool which can be used for this particular purpose. So there are a lot of tools like this, like Mendeley, Zotero, and so on. So today I will tell you how to use Mendeley Reference Manager tool. So this will be very useful when you're trying to shift the publisher. So initially maybe you have submitted to Elsevier journal and you have got a rejection mail, after which you may have to change the publisher, during which you will have to check with the difference reference manager. So in this way, when you do a difference reference manager, when you have to change your style from one to another, then this tool is going to be handy. So as I told you, this is going to help you ease your work, and within few clicks of a button, it may be possible for you to change from one reference style to another reference style. So you might be aware about the reference style, like APA style, Chicago style, Vancouver style, IEEE style. So whichever style you want, you can just click the style that you want and click the few buttons there, out of which, and then definitely it can change the style for you. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, what you can do is you can go to Google Scholar. Okay, so once you go to Google Scholar, you can decide which topic you want. Okay, so based on what paper you're writing, and based on what you want to cite, you can give the suitable keywords. So if you can notice, there is something called a cite. This is one more option of doing it, but this may not have all the styles that you want, and it will not automate it in case you are doing it manually. If you are using Vancouver style, you are copying pasting from here, then you cannot edit it from one style to another style in that Word document if you want to change. But in case you use Mendeley, and I am showing you how to do that today, in case you use that and do it with Mendeley Reference Manager, then next time when you want to change it, you just change the style, open the Word document and open the Mendeley and change the style. The entire document, the references will change as per the requirement. So that is the advantage of using Mendeley. But if you have just 10-12 references, you don't want to use Mendeley, then you can use these styles which are there. But you see that whether the journal accepts this particular format. If it is not accepting this format, then this is not very useful, the cite option that is here, for which your Mendeley Reference Manager may be useful. So now first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your Elsevier account. So installation for Mendeley is very simple. There are a lot of YouTube videos on this to install. So you please install it first. So you have to have an Elsevier account and you have to download the desktop version. These are the two things which are very necessary, and both of these should be open whenever you are doing this addition of references. And addition of references will be done in the Word document. So the plugin for a Word document also should be installed. So this is the Mendeley Reference Manager, and I've added to my plugins. So once I log in to my Elsevier account, the Mendeley page will open. Okay, so for first time you'll have to log in, and once you log in, it will directly open the Mendeley page for you. So now maybe this paper I'm interested in. I want to cite this particular paper. So what I can do is I can click on this paper and click on Mendeley. Okay. So once I click on Mendeley, you can see the page is opening. So this is the Elsevier account that you have. So it will open. So it will take a little time. So it depends on the internet speed also. Okay, so whenever you're trying to use this tool for reference addition, see to it that you use LAN connection. If you try to use with Wi-Fi, it can become slow. Okay, so now this is the paper. You can tick or untick it as per your requirement. So I want to add this references. So I will tick on that and click on add. So you can see this is a tick mark here. And now when I go to my desktop version, okay, you can see the paper is added. Okay, so you can see now the paper is added. Okay, so in this way you can keep on adding the references, and once you are ready, as you're writing, it's better you do this, because simultaneously you can finish off the citation work. Otherwise, you will have referred some paper and later you don't know from which paper you have taken. It might be difficult for you for citation. So now simply I'll type something. So maybe you have written one sentence and now you want to cite this paper. Okay, you can click on the paper. So one more benefit of this tool is it is auto syncing the recent update or recent version of Mendeley. So it will sync it by itself. So you need not manually sync it. It will sync by itself. So now you can see, you can click on this particular reference that you want to add and you click on insert citation. So once you click on insert citation, the citation will come here. Okay. Similarly, if you want to add some more citation, certain times you write some sentences and you want to cite 2-3 papers for that. So that also is possible. So once you finish one citation, you can select whichever paper you want for the other citation. So I can just scroll down and maybe this is the paper that I want to cite. So click on this also. Okay. So once you click on this, I can press insert citation. Now you can see both the papers have been cited. Can you see now? Citation 1 and citation 2. Now I want to merge this. Okay, both the this sentence I've written from referring to these two papers. So what I can do is, there is an option called as merge citation, which is there in this 3 dots. So once I click on this 3 dots, I have that merge citation option. Once I do that, both the papers you see will be merged together, right? So this is the advantage. Now maybe you want to change the style, that also is possible. You can see here there is something called as citation settings. In the settings, if you want to change the style, you can click on this. Now this is in this particular style. You can see how is the reference style. I can change it to IEEE if I want. And if I give update citation, it will change to numbers, because IEEE is numbering format. Similarly, whichever style you want, you can click now. For now, I'll keep this same style. Okay, so same way you do it for the entire document. So only if you do it for the entire document, next time if you want to change it to one style to another style, it is possible. If you are inserting 1 or 2 manually and trying to do it, then you will get some error messages. So it is not possible to do like few with Mendeley, few not with Mendeley. The entire document should be done with Mendeley. So once this is done, you want to add the bibliography or insert references at the end. So you can click on insert citations. So can you see now? The citations have come. So whatever citations you are added to this paper has come down as bibliography. And if I change the reference styles now, whichever style I want, the style of the reference also will be changed. So this will be very useful when you are shifting from one publisher to another publisher. So your manual work of editing can be reduced drastically. So this is how you can try to utilize this particular tool. I think you have understood how to use Mendeley Reference Manager now. So in this way you can use it. So see to it that you use some research tools like this so that you can make your work easier. Okay, so organizing your references will become easier, citations will become easier, and you can easily switch from one reference style to another reference style. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me till date. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please like the video and share the video for those who are interested in publishing and those who want help with research tools. Thank you.